A business plan helps entrepreneurs and creatives come up with a strategy for their brand and is basically comprised of a bunch of mini plans for every aspect of a brand. It's crucial for any person wanting their brand to be successful, so you should not ignore this foundational step when building your very own brand. At CEO Creatives, we help people like you start and grow successful brands from scratch. As the founder, I find it extremely important that you understand the basics of creating a business plan, which is why this video is a part of a complete business plan series in our CEO Academy. In a previous video, we started to develop your business plan with the critical components you must have. In this video, we will continue to develop your business plan by going over 3 additional essential aspects of creating a highly profitable business plan. Your business plan must detail your conversion plan. A conversion is a specific action you desire your targeted audience to take. This action directly impacts your business or brand objectives. Your conversion plan should include where you're going to be converting your customers. This will depend on your offering and deliverables, which we defined in the last video. The most common places to convert a customer are at events, on your website, or through online sales funnels. Your conversion plan should also include the process that you have for getting them to convert, like social proof notifications or follow-up call or text or emails. Remember, the whole point of conversions is to get people to take a specific action that will positively affect your revenue. So it's important that you have a plan in place for getting them to convert. To make a brand profitable in the short and long term, you must develop how you will fulfill your deliverable plan. This plan essentially answers the question, what does your brand need to do after a customer has converted? In the case of a clothing brand, do you ship it to the customer's door or do they pick it up at a local distribution center? In the case of a coach, do you provide coaching online or in person? In the case of a content creator, is the content published on social media or behind a paid wall on their website? To make sure your brand is as profitable as it can be, you must have a retention plan. Remember this very important concept. It's cheaper to keep old customers than to get new customers. It is for this very reason that you must have a retention plan in order to retain or keep your customers or audience engaged. This is done by nurturing the relationship your converted clients or customers have with your brand. This is easily done by creating value that is outside your product offering or deliverables. This will help create an experience for them and show them why they should stick around and why they should come back to your brand. Don't take an excessive amount of time creating your business plan. It should not take you weeks or months to develop this. Your business plan should be comprehensive but not all-consuming. It's important to keep in mind that your business plan is a living document and has sections that will change and be revised as you build your business and grow your brand. Think of your business plan as a roadmap on your CEO journey. Join the CEO Creatives community to continue to receive guidance, resources, and support while building your brand. We'll continue working in the next video.